Guys, if you've been trying to grow an IRS rep practice, or quite frankly, any kind of practice, tax preparation practice, bookkeeping, doesn't matter. All right. You're trying to grow 10%, 15%, bullshit. Those are bullshit goals. All right. Would you like to double in 6 months? Let me explain. You need to set a really bold goal. Okay. Why? It's going to force you to think differently. I know what you're going to do. Grow 10%. Yeah, Eric, no problem, right? I'll make a few more emails, a few calls. I'll go to lunch with somebody and I can get the 10%. Or I could just raise prices a little bit and I'll get the 10%. That's why it's a bullshit goal. Would you like to double in 6 months? That's a goal. And that is the challenge I'm throwing to my tax rep members. Starting in November, we are going to, for the next 6 months, double our practice. How? You're thinking, well, Eric, that if anyone could do it, yeah, it is. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge. We're going to help you. Okay, so starting in November, we're going to have monthly sessions with me and my coaches. And what we're going to do is give you ideas and action steps to take so that we can double your income in 6 months. This is the challenge. And we're going to be giving away gifts, $250 gift cards, tax rep swag, free access to programs, whatever. Okay, now you need to be a tax rep member to join in the program, right? That's just natural. So here's the deal. If you're not a member who's watching this, what are you waiting for? Now, we offered a very special deal, you know, over the last month. That deal is now gone. We're going to reopen it for you. Okay. So you will be getting an email from us with that deal. Any questions, you want to talk to someone, by all means, book a call with our team. Kevin, Nicole, somebody will walk you through in terms of any questions about membership. Do you really get unlimited access to the help desk? Yeah. Will you get in on all these programs? Absolutely. Are you going to be upsold to buy something else? No, we don't sell our members anything. Membership includes everything. It's all you can eat, all in. Once you join the team, you're on the team. Okay? We don't upsell our members anything. So the books, the live programs, the conference, all that stuff, it's all included. All right? And we are going to get everyone to double. And if you're sitting there wondering, I don't know, can I really? Let me tell you something. All right? Whether you listen to the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series or Grant Cardone and his 10X and everything, they're all kind of telling you the same. Shoot big. Even if you don't double, what if we could only get you 50% growth? Wouldn't that be great? I mean, I don't know. Would you? I don't know. You might be to the point where, look, Eric, I'm going to retire and I make so much money now. I don't need to make it. It's okay. I'm doing fine now. That's not where most people I know are. Okay. We are going to give you each month stuff to do to help you double. Okay. Get in on the challenge. I would urge you to roll up your sleeves and make the investment for yourself. That's really who you're doing this for. Yeah, you're going to do it for your family and your friends and maybe ego and pride and just to know that you can do it. But the truth is, you're doing this for yourself. Okay. So, join up. Now, if you're, again, tax rep members, you don't have to do anything. You're going to be enrolled automatically. There's nothing else to do. Any questions, shoot us through the help desk. We'll absolutely answer them. All right. Again, you'll be getting a message on the first date in November. We're going to do this. And if you can't make it live, don't worry about it. Everything, as always, is recorded. It'll be in the members area. If you're not a member and you really want to do this, invest in yourself. Join us, join the team. Let's double your income in the next 6 months. And you're going to watch how much more quickly and easily you feel good about your practice. You're starting to enjoy yourself again. And frankly, it's probably going to lead to other business because it opens your eyes to other opportunities you might just not be seeing right now. So with that, everyone, I will see you inside Tax Rep November, 100% 6 month challenge. We're going to double our income. All right. See you inside.